Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a question under addition and subtraction of matrices, but in this case we have a 2 by 3 matrix to add and subtract. So let us start. The question says A is this and B is this. We should find A plus B and A minus B. Okay, so this is very easy. Let's take the first one, A plus B. So we have our matrix A, which is 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 7, and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we have to add these two. Okay, so the first thing, the two matrices needs to be of the same order before we can add or subtract. So they need to be of the same size or order before we can add or subtract. So the first thing you do is you determine whether the two matrices are of the same order. This first matrix is a 2 by 3 matrix, and the second is also a 2 by 3 matrix. That tells us that we can add these two matrices. So let's add. We are adding corresponding entries. So 2 and 1 are corresponding entries because they have the same position in each matrix. 3 and 2 are corresponding entries. 6 and 3 are corresponding entries, the same position. 4 and 4 are corresponding entries, so we can add them. 5 and 5 are also corresponding entries, while 7 and 6 are corresponding entries. So here we are simply adding corresponding entries. Okay, let's add. We have 2 plus 1, we have 3 plus 2, 6 plus 3 for the third number, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, and 7 plus 6. So that is the order of, this is how we have to add them. We are adding them with their corresponding entries. We are adding them in order. It is not in this order, so we should not get confused. Okay, so here we just simply simplify it. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 7 plus 6 is 13. So that is all for the addition. It is very simple, very easy, very straightforward. So let's take the second case, which is A minus B. It's the same procedure. 4, 5, 7. I'm just writing the matrices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if we want to subtract these two matrices, it's the same thing. They have the same order, so we can subtract them. So again, we are subtracting corresponding entries. So we have 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 6 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 5 minus 5, and 7 minus 6. So from here is simplification. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 3 is also 3, 4 minus 4 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So this is the subtraction of those two matrices. So it is as easy as that. It's not complicated. First, the two matrices have to be of the same order, and secondly, we are adding or subtracting corresponding entries. So that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.